Hey guys, it's Ariannitalagringa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you saw my latest video, Christmas vocabulary, you know that we're in the month of December and we're in the middle of the winter. Right now it's winter time, and in today's video, I will teach all of you guys outdoor activities you can do during the winter. And in today's video, I won't be by myself. I am not alone. I am with two English teachers. Come on over, guys. Hey, this is William and this is Maria, and they are both English teachers. And I have a question for both of you. So do you guys like winter?
I'm more of a fan of summer.
I love winter, to be honest. My favorite holiday is on Christmas, actually.
I like winter as well, and in today's video, I'm going to teach all of you guys outdoor winter activities to do during the months of November through February. Do you guys know how to ice skate?
No,
To be honest, I don't know anything about ice skating.
I don't know either.
Okay, well I do, and I'm going to show you guys how to ice skate. So come along with me and let's go to the ice skating rink. An ice rink is an enclosed area of ice where you can go ice skating or you can go and play ice hockey. It looks pretty easy, but if it's your first time, it actually is really hard to skate on the ice. I have a question for you guys. Have you ever been ice skating? Have you ever skated on the ice? Let me know down below. Now it's time to go ice skating and skate on the ice. But the ice rink is not free. You have to pay for it. And you pay for it over here at the check-in place. And you can either check in and reserve your spot to ice skate, especially if it's busy during the weekend. But I didn't make a reservation, so I'm going to pay right now. Hi. I'd like to go ice skating.
Just one?
Three.
Three?
Yeah. How long do I have to skate on the ice?
As long as you're here.
Okay, perfect. 3 ice skates.
Yeah, $30.
Thank you. Right now, she put a wristband on my wrist, and that means I paid to go ice skating. Behind me, there's a sign that says, "Must have wristband to enter," and this is a wristband. Maria, are you excited to go ice skating?
I'm so excited, guys.
Or are you nervous?
Kind of nervous, too.
And you said this is your first time ice skating.
It is.
Okay, so a piece of advice, when you're ice skating, don't fall forward or backward. Always remember to fall to one side. I finally have my wristband and I'm ready to go on the rink. I'm ready to go ice skating. But wait, I do not have my ice skates. I have my boots on. Where do you pick up your ice skates? Well, you pick up your skates over here and you pick your skate size, your shoe size. So I'm a size 10. I have pretty big feet. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my skates and go on the rink. Hey Maria, what's your shoe size?
I think it's 7.
7?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm a size 10. I have pretty big feet.
Wow.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
I'm picking up skates. I'm a size 10.
Do you have your wrist?
Yes, I have my
Okay,
wristband.
7, please.
Thank you. We finally have our ice skates, but we're missing one person. Where's William?
Well, William didn't want to come. I think he was kind of scared. So.
I think he was scared because he's never been ice skating. These ice skates are not brand new. They are old and they are used because people rent them out to go skate on the ice rink. Now it's time to put on my ice skates. So first, I'm going to take off my boots. I like to bring a pair of fuzzy socks. That way it can protect my ankles and my feet because these socks are pretty thin, but I didn't bring them with me today. I'm putting on the first ice skate. Now it's time to tie my ice skates. Well, you don't tie them like a regular shoe, a gym shoe. You have to lace them. So you first have to cross over one lace, and then you have to tuck it underneath the eyelet, and then you have to cross over the second lace, and then tuck it underneath the eyelet again, and then you will lace up your ice skates. And you lace up your ice skates because you want to make sure that your feet do not move around because you want your ice skates to be very tight. And now it's time to tie my laces. Now it's time to get on the ice and go ice skating. This is a winter activity. This is only open from November through February because you can only have an ice rink when it's cold. It's cold outside, it's around 50 degrees, so it's the perfect time to get on the rink. Now I'm going to get on the ice and woo! I'm ice skating. Maria, I know it's your first time ice skating. Do you think it's hard or easy?
It's really hard, to be honest, and I don't want to fall, so...
Yeah, so right now it's her first time, so she's actually using plastic buckets to help her skate on the ice rink. And it helps you a lot because it helps you balance your body, you know? Now I'm going to teach you guys how to ice skate. So first you want to have your 2 feet apart like this, bend your knees, and then when you ice skate, you have to push one foot off of the other on the ice. Let me know in the comments if I'm good at ice skating. Now it's time to get off the ice, rink, because they are going to clean the ice with the Zamboni. And the Zamboni will just pick up all the ice shavings and will make the ice feel clean and fresh. Maria, did you have fun ice skating? Do you think it's a fun activity to do during the winter?
I think it's a fun activity for sure, but I don't know if it's my thing.
Did you fall?
No, I didn't.
Yes! Right now, I'm done ice skating. I'm finished with ice skating. And I have to return my skates. And where do I return the skates? Well, you can just hang your skates on this rack. It says skate return right here. And you hang up the ice skates by their blade. This is a blade, so you just hang it up right here. Now I'm ready to go and check out the second winter activity we can do during the winter time. A nice thing to do when you're outside doing winter activities like ice skating is you can visit the shops and the stores around you. So I just visited an ice cream shop, and inside the ice cream shop, they sell ice cream, of course, and also hot chocolate. So I got a small hot chocolate, and this will keep me nice and warm while I'm walking around in the city. Another fun outdoor winter activity is you can dress up as Santa Claus or Mrs. Claus, and you can go to a bar crawl like all of these people are doing right now, where they're dressed up as Santa Claus, Mrs. Claus, an elf, a gingerbread man. You can dress up as someone and you can hop around at all of the bars here in downtown Cincinnati. Right now it's SantaCon. William, how do you pronounce Santa? Is it Santa or Santa?
I say Santa. Santa.
My friend William is from Cleveland, Ohio, and I have a question for you. Have you ever dressed up as Santa?
Not that I recall, no.
Okay, and do you guys have SantaCon in Cleveland?
We unfortunately do not have SantaCon, but hopefully we start enjoying that tradition as well.
Awesome. Hi, what's your name?
Dalen Sparks,
Okay, and what are you dressed up as today?
Santa's helper.
And have you dressed up as Santa's helper before?
I have not. It's my first SantaCon.
Look, there's someone with a motorcycle. How cool.
Perfect.
What are you gonna do today?
Hang out with my friends. Like that's the biggest thing.
Another fun activity you can do during Christmas or when it's really cold is you can go sledding, and you go sledding on snow, but you have to start at the top of a hill and then you sled down the hill. Well, over here we don't have snow just yet, but they do have tubing from the top over there and then tube all the way down to the bottom. Do you guys want to go tubing?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's go ahead and check out the prices and go tubing. We just went inside and I wanted to buy a ticket to go tubing, but it costs $20 per person to go tubing, and it's unlimited, so you can go tubing as long as you want until 10 p.m. Maria, do you think it's worth it?
I think it's worth it. Yeah, for sure.
For me, I think it's a bit expensive. $20 is really expensive. What do you think?
For me, it's a ripoff. A ripoff. Sorry, guys. I'm good.
I would honestly rather go sledding, and it's free. I can go down a hill when it snows instead of paying $20 to go tubing. Another great outdoor activity you can do during Christmas time is you can go to a Christmas market. Right now, I'm at a Christmas market, and you can shop around for decorations for your home, or you can eat sweet treats like dessert, chocolate, or you can grab some lunch here. And you don't have to pay to enter the Christmas market, but you do have to pay for your food and the decorations you want to buy. This is a coffee cup, but its sleeve is in the shape of a dog. It's so cute. So you can buy this, and then it will make sure that your hands don't get too hot when you're drinking your cup of coffee. And it looks like my dog, Ozuna. The next outdoor activity you can do during the winter time is skiing or snowboarding. Right now, I'm at Perfect North Slopes, and it's where you can go skiing and snowboarding. And skiing is the action of traveling over snow or on ice with skis. Skis. You can also go snowboarding, and when you go skiing or snowboarding, you go up on a chairlift or a ski lift, and you go up all the way to the top of the mountain, and then you will ski down the mountain or hill. These are skis. Skis are long, narrow pieces of wood, and you have 2 skis, one for each foot. Also, over here, they have ski poles. These are ski poles, and a lot of skiers use ski poles for balance. How do you put skis on? Well, first, you place both skis on the ground, and then I cannot ski with my boots on. I have to ski with ski boots. These boots are attached to the skis using ski bindings, which will hold the boots and skis together securely. And this is a snowboard, and a snowboard is different compared to skis because you'll have different boots. You'll just strap them on, and then you'll be ready to go snowboarding. Instead of having 2 narrow wooden skis, you just have 1 snowboard. This is definitely harder compared to skiing because you don't have ski poles to help you balance. You're balancing using your whole body. And if you guys want a whole review about skiing and snowboarding, let me know down below because I would love to show you guys and teach you how to ski. Okay guys, I'm finally finished with this video. I hope you guys learned a lot about outdoor winter activities you can do from November through February during the winter time. William and Maria, how can I find you guys on social media?
So we are English W, Maria and William, or Aprende Inglés con Maria y William.
And guys, remember to follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and on TikTok if you want to.
Go ahead and like, subscribe, and give me a super thanks if you guys support my channel. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!